Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, which will be guiding you to install email application in your Android device. Emo is a free audio or video calling and instant messaging software service. It allows sending music videos, PDFs, and other files along with various free stickers. So let's get started by installing Evil application on your device. First of all, to do that you will have to make sure you have good internet connection and then start by tapping on the Play Store. Now tap on the search box and type email, find the email application, and after when you find it, tap on the green button that says install. Installing may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but trust the process keeps patience. Well, in my application, it's successfully installed in your device. Now you can enjoy the amazing features of Emo in your device. Thank you for watching the video till and hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. We'll be back with more tutorial videos. Until then, bye-bye. See ya.